Hi, I'm Alex Joseph from Doc365. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your App Store in Microsoft Teams platform. You can customize your App Store in Microsoft Teams platform with your company branding. You can change the logo, the background, and also some fonts. To do that, first you need to log into your Office 365 account. Here, I have already logged into my Office 365 account. And to start, all you need is to go to your Microsoft 365 Admin Center first, and then redirect to Microsoft Teams Admin Center, where you can change all settings and configurations for your Microsoft Teams platform. For that, click on your app launcher icon in the top left corner and choose Admin. This is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Here, under the Admin Centers section, click on Teams. It will take you to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. From here, you can change all settings and options and configure your Microsoft Teams platform as you wish. There are lots of options available here. To customize your App Store, you need to click on Teams App section and expand it first and choose Customize Store option. This is the page where you can access those options that allows you to customize your App Store. For all settings in this page, there will be 2 or more options made available. For organization logo, you can either choose to don't show the logo, or you can choose an image, which is your brand logo, obviously. So I'm going to choose a brand logo here. So to customize your App Store, you may need to upload 2 or more customized backgrounds or customized images. So I have already created 3 images as per the directions provided here. Like for organization logo, the dimension of the image should be 240 into 60 pixels, and they are actually accepting 3 formats. You can either upload a .svg, .png, or .jpg format images. And these images shouldn't be more than 5 MB in total size. So the file format and overall size is applicable to all other options in this page. So let's first upload an organization logo. Click on upload and choose the organization logo image. Now let's move to organization logo mark. For that, the dimension is 32 into 32 pixels. Click on upload and choose the image you have already created in that particular dimension. Next is the customize background option. Here I have actually created an image already to set it up as the background. You can also choose a background color here. So this palette allows you to choose any color you wish. So that will be set according to that. I'm actually setting it as a different image. So I'm uploading the desired image here. So that's the image I'm choosing. And next is the font color in which you wish to display your organization name. So I am choosing an orange color here. And I think all of the options are filled up now. So once you have updated all the options, you can click on preview to see how the images look, or how the App Store looks after making these customizations. So there are 2 views available here. One is the App Store view, the overall view, and the next is the custom apps view. So these are the options. So check it out, and you can click close after making, after seeing how it looks, and make further changes if you wish to make any more. And If you are happy with the changes, just click on save at the bottom to make the changes. You can also make use of the discard option here to just undo everything you have done. So these changes will take approximately 24 hours to see on your Microsoft Teams platform. So wait until then and uh, see how it goes. Try out these options and let us know how was your experience customizing the App Store in Microsoft Teams. Have a good day.